Greetings, curious minds. Today, we're diving into the intriguing biblical chapters of Ezekiel, specifically 45 to 48. Whether you're a first-time explorer or a seasoned seeker, there's something truly extraordinary in these pages. Picture this: a visionary prophet named Ezekiel, unveiling a divine blueprint for a restored Israel, a vision filled with hope and divine order. In chapter 45, we see a glimpse of divine justice and equity. God commands a fair division of the land, ensuring that each tribe has its portion and designates space for the sanctuary. It's all about a harmonious community where justice reigns. Then Ezekiel 46 walks us through the new temple rituals. Picture the prince entering through a special east gate. Verse 9 is key here. But when the people come in, they shall go by the opposite gate. This shift emphasizes order and respect in worship. As we turn to chapter 47, expect a vision of life and renewal. Ezekiel sees a river flowing from the temple, bringing transformation wherever it goes. Key verse 9 proclaims everything will live where the river goes. It's a powerful metaphor for spiritual renewal and restoration. In the final act, chapter 48, we find a blueprint for the division of the land. It's not just geography, it symbolizes unity among the tribes. Each tribe has its place, emphasizing God's promise of restoration and community. The chapters are rich with themes of justice, renewal, and divine governance. Through Ezekiel's eyes, we see a future where everything is in its rightful place and God's presence permeates all life. It's a vision that transcends time, a reminder of hope and divine order. So, as we unravel these chapters, remember, it's not just ancient text, but a living call for justice, renewal, and unity that resonates even today.